In iOS 18, Apple has added a pretty cool camera feature that's allowed you to continue playing audio from your iPhone speaker while recording video in the camera app. Whether you want to make a fun-loving music video or just wish to have the background music for your recordings, this brand new feature has got you fully covered. That said, let's learn how to capture iPhone audio playback when recording video in iOS 18 or later. So to get us started, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to scroll down and tap Camera. Then you have to select the Record Sound option. And finally, you have to ensure that the toggle right next to Allow Audio Playback is enabled, and you are all set. Going forward, your iPhone will no longer automatically pause audio when you start recording video in the Camera app. It's worth pointing out that when playing audio through your iPhone speaker while recording, the audio will be captured in mono. Having given a try to this brand new feature, make sure to share your thoughts, and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have your time. Bye-bye.